Hi everyone, today I'm going to repair a smartphone, and the smartphone is the Galaxy Y. I think you call that letter this way. So as you can see, the LCD is broken, and I just bought another one from eBay for 20 bucks, this one, and this display came with this tool for opening the smartphone, and I don't want to say all that stuff again because I know that I say it a lot. So I'm going to use just a screwdriver for opening the smartphone, and I'm going to replace the LCD. And I don't like to repair things usually because I'm training myself for designing things, not for repairing them. But a friend called me and he asked me to fix his phone, so I'm doing it for him. So that's all. But I don't like to repair things really. I like to design things, but not to repair them. So let's start. Okay, first thing we have to do is to protect the device against electrostatic discharge with our anti-static brace. So, wear protection. Okay. Now that we are protected, we can start repairing the device. First thing, second thing obviously is taking out the cover and the battery. And you can use one of these CD things to save all the spare parts. So as you can see here, this smartphone has just one screw here, another one here, another one here, and another one here. So we're going just to take them out. Okay. Now that we have the smartphone without the screws, the 4 screws, just we have to take this tool and make some pressure and take all this piece out. It comes out very easily, as you can see. Okay, and now we have to take this connector, disconnect these connectors. So it's unconnected now. So we have to take out the main board, just this way. There are some flips, I think, do you call it, in this side. Okay, the main board is out. There is a little connector here. So you have to take care about it because you can break it. This is the other side of the connector. So you have to be careful about that one. Now we have to take out this. We have to take out the LCD from this part of the smartphone. So we have to do it just with the same tool, applying some force here, and it should come out easily. Okay, this is the broken LCD, so we have to replace it with a new one. Make sure to take out the protective thing on this LCD. Whoops, where is it? Okay, here it is, this film, and I'm going to clean this crystal. It's not a crystal, it's a piece of plastic, transparent plastic, but I'm going to clean it up a little bit and put the new LCD with this side matching this side here. Okay, now it is in place, and you have just to connect this one here. Oops, the cam is not focusing. Okay, so we have to connect this one here in this connector. And put everything in place. It is not very complicated. And place the LCD connector. Okay, and just we have to put this here. And let's give it a try without the screws. Okay, it's working now. Very easily repaired. Let's put the screws, and the smartphone is fixed very easily. As you have seen in this tutorial, it's very easy to repair a smartphone. It is working very nicely now. So you can repair or fix basically any smartphone or mobile just knowing the model, the smartphone or the smartphone model, and searching for the broken part in eBay. Usually when someone asks me, can you fix my phone? The screen is broken. The first thing that I ask is the glass broken or is the LCD broken? Because the LCD usually is expensive, but the glass is very cheap. But in this smartphone, in the Galaxy Y, this is not a glass, it's a plastic, and it's not going to be broken easily. So the thing that has been broken is the LCD, but because this is not the top top brand smartphone, it's not very expensive smartphone, the LCD is very cheap. And but for one mobile like my Samsung Galaxy Note, if you have to buy the LCD, a 5-inch LCD can cost you maybe 80 bucks or something like that. But if the LCD is fine but the glass is broken, the glass may cost you maybe 20 bucks or something like that. So normally when the LCD is broken, it is more expensive the repair, but when the glass is broken, it's not a big deal. I think that you have seen many iPhones with the glass broken. It's very common to see a smartphone with the glass broken, but the LCD behind the glass is in perfect state. So those cases are the easiest to repair, and because you only have to fix, you only have to replace the glass, and that's it. 90% of the problems with this broken smartphones is that the LCD or the glass are broken, and you just have to replace them, and it's not a big deal. It's very easy. You can do it here in your home. I did this with just with a screwdriver and this thing, so you can do it in your home very easily. And you do not need this anti-static protection. It is overrated for this thing, but you know. So that is all about repairing this kind of devices. That doesn't have it's not a very complicated thing. So next time you see a broken mobile, or that your mobile is broken, try to fix it yourself. It's very easy. So see ya.